Let's talk about quota in Cloud Foundry environment. A quota represents the numeric quantity that defines the maximum allowed consumption of a resource or service. In other words, how much of a service plan you are entitled to use. As you can see in the screenshot, the ABAP trial is of 1 unit and alert notification is limited. Now, this one signifies that only one instance of ABAP trial can be created. And limited means we can have limited set of resources. For example, we have 2 core CPU available and we have 4 gigabytes of memory. So it is limited. Some service plans use numeric quota, which means that you can increase or decrease the number of units available in a sub account. Depending on the service, these unit represents different things and may impact the number of service instances, applications, or routes you can have in a sub account. Entitlements and quotas are purchased and managed at global account level, from where they are distributed to sub accounts which consumes them. When you remove quota or entitlement from a sub account, they become available again at global account level and can be assigned to other sub accounts. For example, let's say you have purchased 10 unit of service plan ABAP trial for your global account. If you have 3 sub accounts in your global account and you assign all 10 units to only one of them, then the other 2 sub accounts won't be able to use that service plan at all. You would have to remove some quota from that one sub account and then entitle the service plan to the other sub account.